Hello, guys, welcome back. And for a change, today we are heading out on a hike. It's been a while since we did something different like this. Really excited for today's journey. We have just arrived at Beli Potok in Tarchova for the hike to Mali Rojutek. And honestly, already feeling excited looking at the trail ahead. So let's start the climb and see what's waiting for us along the journey. So today's hike is to Mali Rojutek, one of the most popular peaks in the Mala Fatra mountains here in Slovakia. We started the trail here from Hotel Dairy, and honestly, this hike got interesting almost immediately as we are entering the forest section. So, to tell about the summit, it stands at around 1343 meters, and even though it's considered a moderate to difficult hike, the views and the experience along the way make it completely worth it. The trail slowly enters the deep forest section filled with streams, waterfalls, wooden bridges, and metal ladders crossed through the famous Yanushikove Dairy God system. The trail markers here are actually really easy to follow. And here we have reached our first trail sign. As per the sign, the trail continued deeper into the forest. The higher we go, the more beautiful scenery starts getting. Small waterfalls, cold mountain air, forest pathways, and occasional openings with incredible mountain views all around us. And honestly, this part doesn't even feel like a normal hike. It feels more like a little adventure trail through nature with water flowing beside the pathway almost the entire time. Most of the route is well marked with hiking trails, and along the way, There are few resting spots and open glades where you can stop for a while and just enjoy the atmosphere. So this is Mali Rosutek and the fog covered peak over there is Velki Rosutek. We sat there for a while appreciating the moment, taking in the nature around us and resting a bit before making our way up to the summit. At one point, we also reached the area around Port Tanetsicho, where the trail slowly starts becoming steeper and more challenging compared to the earlier forest section. From here, the hike starts feeling much more like a mountain climb. The terrain gets rocky, the path gets narrower, and in some sections there are even guide chains to help while climbing. Honestly, even though the visibility was disappearing, the whole atmosphere started feeling even more dramatic and unreal. And finally, after all the climbing, waterfalls, ladder, forest trails, and rocky section, we made it to the summit of Mali Rosutek. Due to the weather today, we couldn't capture the view. So here is the view from the summit. After spending some time at the summit, we finally started making our way back down. Some of the steep rocky sections made us a little nervous, especially while climbing down with the chains. So we couldn't really film much during that part. But slowly we continued descending back through the forest trails, then through the open fields, and finally all the way back to the starting point. with that, our Mali Rojutek hiking journey comes to an end. Even though the mountains were hidden behind fog at the summit, the experience, the trails, the waterfalls, and the journey through nature honestly made this hike unforgettable for us. And a huge shout out to our friend Lubomir for guiding us, encouraging us throughout the hike, and honestly helping us make it all the way to the summit. Without him, this journey definitely wouldn't have been possible. If you love travel, hiking, and exploring beautiful places like this, there is plenty more waiting for you on the channel. And if you enjoyed coming along on this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.